meter, 45 floor and 450 feet. This is the maximum level we can go. There are more 15 floors are there, 47 meters are there and 150 feet is there. But only maintenance people can go there. Any statue in the world get its height from its museum level, which is 182 meters. Why 182? Because the legislative assembly seats of Gujarat is 182. That's why the height is 182. And why this place? From here you can see Sardar Sarovar Dam. While standing at Sardar Sahab's heart, we have to see his dream, his vision to make the dam. On the right side you can see this is Satpura mountain ranges. Right side you can see this is Satpura mountain ranges. On the left side is Vindhyachal mountain ranges. Between those two mountain ranges is Sardar Sarovar Dam, in which flows Narmada river. 85% copper, 55% zinc, tin and lead has been used to make this tallest statue in the world. 1700 metric ton bronze cladding has been done. 6,000 metric ton structure steel has been used. 18,500 ton reinforcement steel has been used. In 2013, when Modi ji was CM of Gujarat, he launched Loha campaign, in which they have collected 134 metric ton iron across 1,69,000 villages. The architect of this statue is Mr. Ram V. Suthar, who hails from Maharashtra, Dhule district, Gondur village. When he made the design of this statue, at that time he was 90 years old. Right now he is 96 years old and is still working. The total time duration to make this statue is only 46 months. The construction is done by L&T, Larsen & Toubro. Behind you can see plates are there. In whole statue there are 6,500 plates. In plates in yellow tag, numbers has been written. Why? Because any plate get broke or damaged, with the help of this number, we can make another plate. Here you can see button of his jacket. Button of his jacket. From upstairs the second button, from down it is the fourth button. Right now we are standing between second and third button. The middle portion you can see this is center button patti portion. The whole jacket is the jacket is wearing. The two outer parts is the shawl he wear. The two outer parts you have to view the steel structures inside the glass. Then you have to go to back side, you have to view the back view. Then while you come in the lift, you arrive in only 38 seconds in the 45th floor. Then you have to go to museum, you have to view the museum. After taking exit from museum, you have to go to Sardar Sahab's feet level. Thank you, धन्यवाद. Repeat.